Hi everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel. We have some data in two separate rows. The first row consists of a yearly timeline, while the second one consists of sales amount. Now the usual way to make a chart is to select the entire dataset, go to Insert, and then select a chart type we like. On this chart we can add labels. Just right-click and select Add Data Labels. The problem is that, when deleting sales data from our table, the chart just looks a bit empty and unattractive. There is a way to produce the same chart but in a more dynamic way so that this chart responds automatically to data changes. So let's produce two additional rows, dynamic years and dynamic sales. To do this, we need a sales data count in cell M4. In this cell we will type counta and select the range in yellow with the sales data. So we get 4, which is obviously correct since we only have 4 data points. Now let's tackle the dynamic rows by using the offset function. The reference will be the first year of the timeline, and we will set the width to be equal to the sales count we calculated previously. Don't forget the $sign. Press enter. We will use the same function for the dynamic sales as well, or you could just copy the formula below. Let's copy the formula down. Now you can see that if we add data, the dynamic years and sales adjust as well. Great. Now this is an important point here. Copy the formula in cell E6 and go to Formula and Name Manager and press New. Set the name to years dynamic or something shorter. And in the refers to input box paste the formula you copied and press OK. Again, let's do the same thing with the sales. Go to cell E7 and copy the formula, go to Formula, Name Manager and press New, and in the refers to input box paste the formula you have copied and press OK. OK, perfect. Now go to Insert and select a graph chart. Right-click, select Data and go to Add. Let's name the series as Dynamic Sales. For the series value, select a random cell in the tab, delete the cell reference, and replace it with range name you created previously in the Formula Name Manager. For the horizontal axis, we will do the same thing, but we will set the range name to the dynamic years we previously created in the Formula Name Manager. After that we can add data labels. Now when changing the data, the chart responds to the available data and removes the empty spaces. You can delete rows 6 and 7 and have both charts still working. Let's play a bit with the data to see if this works correctly.
Subscribe to our channel and smash the like button for more videos.